One of the main requirements in IT is to ensure applications are available at all times. And when it comes to remote desktop or Citrix servers, they need to be restarted on a regular basis so applications perform at their best. Companies have accomplished this by having admins watch over servers, then manually restart each server one by one. This takes quite a bit of time to manage. Another way is companies may use a script copied from the internet or written by someone in the organization. Maintaining the script is time-consuming and can possibly bring down part or an entire server farm, not to mention inefficient. The answer? WM Software's Rolling Restart software. Designed for the enterprise, Rolling Restart is a fail-safe restart management solution. It gets servers restarted with zero impact to users, using 5 different restarting methods. Rolling Restart integrates easily with your existing infrastructure, and it can fit into any existing maintenance schedules. Bring up a fully functional proof of concept trial of Rolling Restart from our website and see for yourself. Visit us at www.wmsoftware.com.